What if buying a MacBook Air today turns out to be the wrong decision just a few months from now? Because according to the latest Apple roadmap and supply chain reports, the next generation M6 MacBook Air is already taking shape. And while it may look almost identical on the outside, what's happening inside could make it one of Apple's smartest upgrades in years. But here's the surprise. The biggest change isn't the design, it isn't the display, and it isn't even the battery. Instead, Apple appears to be focusing on something that affects every single user, from students and creators to professionals and gamers. If you're planning to buy a MacBook Air, this information could save you hundreds of dollars and help you make the right upgrade decision. Let's dive in. Just a few months ago, Apple refreshed the MacBook Air with the M5 chip. The company kept the same thin aluminum design that people already love, while delivering faster performance, improved efficiency, and higher base storage. For many buyers, it was an excellent upgrade. But shortly after launch, something unexpected happened. The entire laptop industry was hit by rising memory and storage costs. AI data centers around the world began consuming enormous amounts of advanced memory chips and high-speed storage, putting pressure on the global supply chain. This didn't just affect Apple, Dell, HP, Lenovo, Samsung. Nearly every major computer manufacturer saw production costs increase. As a result, MacBook Air pricing also moved higher in many markets, and that's why the M6 MacBook Air is becoming so interesting. Apple now has an opportunity to deliver more performance without dramatically increasing manufacturing costs. Instead of redesigning the laptop from scratch, Apple appears ready to invest where users actually notice the difference every day. Performance, battery life, AI processing, and long-term productivity. Here's where things get interesting. If you've been waiting for a completely redesigned MacBook Air with an OLED display, you may need a little more patience. Current industry reports suggest Apple is still planning OLED technology for future MacBook models rather than the immediate M6 generation. That means the familiar liquid retina display is expected to stay. For many buyers, this may sound disappointing at first, but in reality, Apple's current LCD panel remains one of the best in the ultra-portable laptop market. It delivers outstanding color accuracy, excellent brightness, and impressive battery efficiency. Most everyday users simply aren't limited by the display. Instead, they're limited by processing power, which brings us to the biggest upgrade. The M6 chip. Apple's transition to Apple Silicon has completely changed expectations for thin laptops. Just a few years ago, ultra-thin laptops often sacrificed performance to stay cool. Now that's no longer true. Every generation has delivered faster exports, smoother multitasking, stronger battery life, and quieter operation. The M6 looks set to continue that trend. While Apple hasn't officially confirmed specifications, current expectations suggest a CPU layout similar to the M5, but built on an improved architecture with faster cores and higher efficiency. That may not sound exciting until you see what it means in real-world use. Opening dozens of browser tabs, editing large Photoshop projects, compiling software, rendering 4K video, running multiple professional apps simultaneously. These are the workloads where Apple Silicon continues pulling further ahead of many competing thin and light Windows laptops. And that's exactly why professionals continue recommending MacBook Air for productivity. Most buyers are missing one important detail. Performance isn't just about benchmark numbers anymore. It's about how long your laptop stays fast over the next 5 or 6 years. Every new Apple Silicon generation improves machine learning, AI acceleration, memory efficiency, and software optimization. That means today's performance gains continue paying off years later as macOS evolves. For buyers who keep their laptops for a long time, that's a major investment advantage. And there's another area where the M6 could quietly become Apple's biggest upgrade yet: graphics performance. Graphics performance could be one of the biggest reasons to wait for the M6 MacBook Air. For several generations, Apple has focused mainly on CPU improvements while GPU upgrades have been more modest. But this time, rumors suggest the M6 could bring the first meaningful graphics boost in years. Some industry reports even point to the possibility of additional GPU cores or a redesigned graphics architecture that delivers better performance without hurting battery life. If that happens, creators will immediately notice the difference. Video editing in Final Cut Pro could become smoother. Photo editing in Lightroom and Photoshop could process large RAW files faster. Designers may see shorter rendering times. Even casual gamers could enjoy higher frame rates in titles optimized for Apple Silicon. But here's what makes this more important than just gaming. Apple is rapidly building its future around AI. The next generation of macOS is expected to rely even more heavily on-device artificial intelligence. Features like smarter writing tools, image generation, voice processing, intelligent search, and real-time productivity assistance will demand faster neural engine performance and greater graphics capability. That means the M6 isn't just about being faster today. It's about staying relevant for the next 5 or 6 years, and that's exactly where long-term value comes into play. Here's another detail many buyers overlook. Battery life. Apple already leads the ultra-portable laptop market in efficiency, and the M6 is expected to extend that advantage even further. Even if battery capacity remains unchanged, improvements in chip efficiency could allow users to squeeze another hour, or even more, out of everyday workloads. Imagine working an entire day of emails, web browsing, video meetings, document editing, and media consumption without carrying a charger. For students, travelers, business professionals, and remote workers, that's a meaningful productivity upgrade. Now let's answer the question everyone is asking: should you buy the M5 MacBook Air today, or wait for the M6? The answer depends on your situation. If your current laptop is several years old, struggling with performance or affecting your work, the M5 MacBook Air is still one of the best premium laptops you can buy today. It's fast, silent, lightweight, and offers excellent battery life. You won't regret purchasing it. But if your current MacBook still performs well and you don't urgently need an upgrade, waiting could be the smarter financial decision. The M6 may not introduce a dramatic redesign, but it could deliver meaningful improvements in CPU speed, graphics performance, AI capabilities, and overall efficiency. For buyers planning to keep their laptop for many years, those upgrades add up. Now let's compare it with the competition. Windows laptops from Dell, HP, Lenovo, Asus, and Samsung continue improving every year. Many now feature powerful AI-focused processors from Intel, AMD, and Qualcomm. However, Apple still holds several key advantages. Its hardware and software are designed together. Battery life consistently ranks among the best in the industry. Performance remains remarkably consistent even under heavy workloads, and the Apple ecosystem continues to be a major selling point. If you already own an iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, or AirPods, the MacBook Air becomes even more valuable thanks to features like AirDrop, Universal Clipboard, iPhone mirroring, handoff, and seamless device synchronization. That ecosystem advantage is difficult for competitors to match. Now let's talk about pricing. Unfortunately, there isn't much good news here. The rising cost of advanced memory and storage components has affected nearly every technology company. AI infrastructure continues consuming enormous quantities of high-performance chips, increasing production costs across the industry. Because of that, Apple is unlikely to reduce MacBook Air pricing. In fact, if supply chain pressure continues, prices could remain at current levels or increase slightly depending on configuration and regional markets. So, if you're waiting for the M6 because you expect it to be cheaper, that's probably not going to happen. Instead, the value will come from better performance at a similar price. As for the launch timeline, Apple appears to be following its familiar release strategy. Industry expectations currently point toward a spring announcement, most likely around March, with availability shortly afterward. That schedule aligns with Apple's recent MacBook Air launch pattern and gives the company enough time to introduce the M6 chip across its broader Mac lineup. And now we arrive at the most important question. Should you buy, upgrade, wait, or skip? Here's the recommendation. If you're using an Intel MacBook or an older M1 model and you need a new laptop today, the M5 MacBook Air is already an outstanding investment. It delivers exceptional speed, battery life, portability, and long-term reliability. If you already own an M3 or M4 MacBook Air, there's very little reason to upgrade immediately. The improvements simply aren't large enough. But if you're considering buying your next MacBook within the next few months and your current machine still meets your needs, waiting for the M6 is the smarter move. Even without a new design, the expected improvements in performance, AI acceleration, graphics, efficiency, and future-proofing could make it one of the best value premium laptops Apple has ever released. Sometimes the biggest upgrades aren't the ones you can see. They're the ones you'll notice every single day when your laptop opens apps instantly, exports projects faster, lasts longer on battery, and continues feeling fast years after you buy it.